Ndango Fomo, I love you so much. I'm seeing you soon. Sheila, thank you so much. Where is my baby Nora? My baby Nora, I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you. Thank you so much. I've never been a mother before. It's my first time, so this is my second baby.
Who give birth, it's a beautiful moment, trust me. But for the men, it's a shocker. Hey!
Thank you guys. Banani, Neyanziza, first of all, Neyanziza, Neyanziza, thank you for everything. To everyone who put in their effort, their time, their love to make this happen. Thank you so much. Banani, Sophie.
I tried in every gun. That's amazing. Guys, there are these cards on your table.
It's by him.
I love you so much. I'm seeing you soon. Sheila, thank you so much. Where is my baby Nora? My baby Nora, I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you. Thank you so much. I've never been a mother before. It's my first time, so it's my second baby shower. I had a private baby shower with some of my friends, and this one is a big one, and I love it. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to talk about you surprising. I never get mine. I'm trying to no way. But we're going to take on the Uganda today, and I'm going to take a shower. I know. Not that I expected it. I am so grateful for it that my gift is with the moment people say we can take. I realize it's even going to be a special day. Personally, thank you so much for being that girl that is always happy for another girl. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you so much. Every woman here who's a mother, bless you and bless you more with your children. Everyone who's not a mother, take your time, do it on your own timing, and I wish you well. And even if you're fighting for it in private without knowing, I pray God softens your journey and you get what you want. Being a mother is something every woman, I think, would love. And those that don't want, it's also okay. So thank you so much for doing for me a baby shower. I'll never forget this in my favorite colors, burgundy. I love it so much. Sheila, thank you. And I don't even know what to say, honestly. I'm just full of gratitude. Welcome back for my show. My beautiful, blessed show that we just had. Welcome back, each and everyone that worked at the show, each and everybody that came to support me. Thank you, Neyanziza. All this year and all the years ahead, I'll forever be grateful. This year,
will forever be a beautiful, beautiful year to me, because it will never be the same. I'll never have another year like this. I know I might become a mother again, yeah, but this year will never repeat itself. I can't explain much, but it's such a blessing. This year has been such a blessing to me in so many ways than I can explain. To my God, my favorite God, my big God, thank you for everybody here. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful evening. Thank you for coming. I love you too so much. And I'm going to miss you, my diaspora crew. I can't wait to see you, because I'm seeing you all soon. I'm seeing you. Oh, Rita now, Jay. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much for everything. Omani, I'm so emotional. I'm so strong, I'm too strong. In reality, my boss, thank you so much for everything on my side. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to miss you. Simanyi wengenda kubeerawo naye mukama oyo yanteekawo nga sirina kufuna era agenda kunteekawo nga mukabanga kana akatono ng'ogenze ate era ngenda kulinda era okunawera tukikupe because munange gwe gwe nnina siina mulala gwe gwe nnina nasalawo. Thank you so much. Nsaba mukama omwana wo Sheebah atwale byonna bisobola omulemu okutwala ku saidi yo, naye musaba atwala at least omutima gwo eneeyisaayo omutima gwo mu byonna kyekikulu. Thank you so much Sheebah. Nsaba mukama yonna gy'ogenda osumulukuke bulungi, ofune ekirungi byonna gy'olaga. Nkwagala nnyo, sisobola kyogera ekyo kyeraga kyokka, bintu byonna tubikoze, tufunye successful show. Uganda bambi munansonyiwaawo because nammwe mukiraba amazima, right? Namuyimbi tetuyinayo muyimbi Uganda yabikoze ino Sheebah. Tetulimufuna oba owakanamu lugogo eri free ng'ogitimba mama lugogo tumulina
naye ali mugamba agendeyo ng'ali mu mbeera ye
naye alufuna olubuto
atimbe
nawe olubuto olufune
atimbe
lugogo ogitimbe. So we are here to watch. Kulema nga tukugamba eriyo
piu 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 piu